How to scan Revolut QR code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to scan Revolut QR code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Revolut application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now, to scan Revolut QR code, using your Revolut Business mobile app, create a payment request and select the QR code option. Now, choose the currency, the amount, and a description. Further, display the QR code for your customer to scan. They can settle up with Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, or Revolut itself. And now, to scan someone else's QR code, you will see the scan option beside the QR code option. Tap on the scan option and a camera screen will pop up. Scan the code and further fill in the details and enter your PIN, and the code will be scanned. So, this is how you can scan Revolut QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.